Private jets are not just aircraft. They are flying palaces built for the world's richest people. From gold-plated bathrooms to queen-size beds, these luxury planes cost more than hotels, mansions, even small islands. So why do private jets cost hundreds of millions? Luxury planes are fully customized. Every inch, from the leather seats to the cabin design, is handcrafted using premium materials like Italian leather, rare woods, and crystal lights. Period. These aren't normal engines. They're ultra-efficient, long-range power systems that can cross continents without refueling. Even the cheapest luxury jet is still incredibly expensive. The Embraer Phenom 300 costs around $10 million. It includes touchscreen controls, a mini kitchen, leather seats, and high-speed Wi-Fi for a comfortable 3 to 4 hour flight. The favorite jet of billionaires? The Gulfstream G650 and G700, costing between $70 to $85 million. These jets include bedrooms, conference rooms, reclining seats, and 19-passenger capacity. A 5-star hotel traveling at 900 kilometers per hour.